Daddy. Daddy.
Oh, Joshua, what is it?
Daddy, are you a lion?
No, I'm not a lion, my son. Why do you ask?
Because if you come back for work, you always sleep and you always make call.
Is that why you woke me up? If you know what I do on a daily basis to put food on your table, you will not say this nonsense you are saying now. Is this the reason why you woke me up? My friend, leave here. Go and get out. Go and meet your mother. Nonsense. I can't sleep inside. I can also sleep in the sitting room. What is all this? Jennifer. Message when you send your pikin, don't come deliver am. Una do well. Nonsense. This guy cheated all this one now.